Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ke jela nekasngi habakran bikinong thok khubor halor ke jingdawa joki Nonghikai Adhoc ulai thu manpun urlong ya ke jingdawa jongki Nonghikai Adhoc ke Sorkar ke Donkam Kumba spak Klur tingka ulai thu ru bakadaw bahapan yakren hapok ke kabinet kade namar haba ke Sorkar kan Siew ke kapisa ki hapan od na kamang tingka na kiwe pat kitana Sorkar bat ki menteri bade pej kita kitanan kide bantep ba kapisa ka balamang lahaban od na ban Siew shakawe pat kitanan Ulang ru, lada kaditang nakamta kartukan ni Klur, ka Sorkar ka laban le ay. Hendray kadiri kispa Klur, ka siyemjing ya ka Sorkar. Bat ka Donkam banitay sa nibha, halor ka ni hapo ka kanhon menteri.
The Adhoc teachers had asked us how many meetings will be required to finalize that, which actually is not a correct way of looking at it. You see, the problem with the Adhoc teachers issue is that we will be requiring, as I said, hundreds of crores to make this happen. And the reason it has to be put to cabinet is because while we do that, we'll have to cut the budget on some of the department. And the concerned ministers and departments will have to be aware about it and know that the budgets are going on, be it, say, maybe a budget cut in road connectivity or budget cut in maybe medicine or health areas, or could be in maybe some other aspect. So these kind of detailed discussions need to take place on where the money will come in order to pay this. So we have to cut somewhere else from the budget because provisions are made, and we need to ensure that those provisions that have been given to others are always maintained and balanced. So those kind of detailed discussions are required, for which we require a detailed discussion within the cabinet. If it's a matter of few crores, then we can decide and we can go ahead, and it's not that complicated. But when it runs into hundreds of crores, which is additional, I'm not saying the total, these are additional hundreds of crores, then it is a tougher decision for the government and the cabinet, and therefore it requires a bit of detailed analysis. Today also this was discussed in the cabinet, but since the decision hasn't been taken, so it's not proper for me to mention it in the briefing today to all of you that the discussion was had. But since you're asking me, that we did discuss the matter in the cabinet today also.